So here we are at the Maxview factory to look at the new precision tripod kit, available in two different variants, 55cm, 65cm. It's taller, stronger, much easier to set up and lighter than anything else on the market. So what we're going to do is have a quick look at the easy setup. For ease of storage, the Precision comes in two bags, one for the tripod and one for the rest of the kit, and it's set up in 5 easy steps. If we look at the tripod first, take it out of the bag, and it has what we call a south leg marked on it, and it's important that we point that leg south to start with. So the system comes with its own compass. We simply locate south on the compass and then point the south leg to the south, ensuring that the system is level using the spirit level on the tripod. So once the tripod is set up, step 2 is to take the main system out of the other bag and, making sure that the locking nut is loosened, drop the system onto the tripod with the LMB facing the south leg, and then lower the LMB arm away from the magnetic catch. The system will only move in the zone where you'll find the 3 main European satellites, Astra 1, Astra 2 for the UK channels, and Hotbird. Then we just run the 10-metre cable over to your receiver, in this instance through an external socket. Open the lid, connect your cable onto the join, and then simply close the lid to make the connection waterproof. Step 3 is all about setting the elevation of the dish. On the back is a zone map. This shows the elevation angle for your dish right across Europe, for Astra 2, which has all the UK channels, and also for Astra 1, which carries the majority of the European channels. So those numbers on the zone map correspond to the gauge on the side of the system, and the elevation can be adjusted by turning the control. Step 4 is using the integrated sat finder to find your chosen satellite, and this is the key part of the setup. What you do is turn the sat finder as high as you can, and then turn it back down so you can get it as low as possible with just maybe a couple of lights lit. And then, starting from east, turn the dish round until you locate the satellite, and the sat finder goes to a high-pitched tone and more of the LEDs will be lit. That means you've got the signal and you have a picture on your TV. So once you've found the signal, turn the sat finder off, lock the system onto the tripod with the locking nut, and then, getting the pegs out of your tripod bag, if necessary, peg the tripod down. And that's it, the 5 simple steps to setting up the Precision tripod kit. So that's how the Precision is set up. A few other key features about the Precision are the fact that it comes as a 55cm or a 65cm dish, single or twin LMB. It's taller than most, lighter than most but still very robust, and it comes in 2 pre-assembled sections to make it very easy to set up, and of course it's made here in the UK. For more information on this and all the other Maxview systems, you can refer to the Maxview Leisure Catalogue or of course our website.